Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and hang out with me today. I have been on such a struggle bus lately trying to get things around my house done because we've been so busy. So I have not even been able to get a YouTube video out in a couple of weeks, which just upsets me so bad, but there was really nothing I could do about it. So I'm here now, and I'm just really looking forward to spending some time with y'all. So I got a new vacuum and I love this thing. It is a Tyneco and I got it at Walmart. It was like $179 maybe, $173 or $179. But anyway, it has this light on the front of it and you can see all the dirt on the floor. Right here I was trying to show you, like you can see the dirt. And this thing has such powerful suction. It is just running hand in hand with my Dyson, and I really like this thing. So if you're in the market for a vacuum cleaner, I would highly suggest this. One of the things that I love about this vacuum is it has two filters, and it comes with an attachment, and you put your filter in it and hook it up to the vacuum cleaner and it sucks all the dirt out. It's pretty awesome. So here is another fun thing I've gotten recently that I love is this mop and bucket. It's a spin mop. I was really wanting the O-Cedar spin mop, but I was just having a hard time spending $40 on it. And I would go to get it and I'm like, oh, I just can't do it. I just can't do it. So I was at Walmart the other day and Great Value came out with one, and this one was like $24. And I thought, well, hot dog. So I bought it and brought it home, and I bought me an extra mop head. I love this thing. So whenever you get done mopping, you can just throw your mop head in the washer on sanitary, and it's amazing. The mop head comes out really clean, and I love it. It does such a fantastic job. just felt like I had dishes for days. I don't know why, but it felt like it took me so long to complete these dishes, and it just felt like every time I turned around there was like another pile, even though there really wasn't. It just seemed so long and tedious, and I just wanted to be done so bad, but you know, I powered through and got it done, and of course enjoyed the nice clean sink, but I was just really having trouble getting through these dishes on this day. So does anybody else hate time change? I absolutely hate it. I think it messes with me so bad. I know it's just an hour, but it puts me off kilter so bad for some weird reason. And it gets dark at like 4:30, which is horrible. Because you know, it's like you go to work in the dark, you come home in the dark, you know, there's just no like sitting outside and enjoying yourself in the afternoon with a cup of coffee or, you know, a glass of sweet tea is what I would be drinking. But I just hate time change, and I am just so jealous of my friends who live in states that do not do time change. I just don't understand why we have to mess with the time. Anyway, that's my little rant for the day. I want to take a moment and say thank you so much to all my subscribers for supporting my channel, and all my new subscribers recently. My channel just exploded a couple weeks ago, and I am so grateful for every person, and I love interacting with you in the comments and getting to know you, and I love meeting people from all different places. So I have really been having fun talking to all the new people and just getting to know you. So thank you so much. Okay, so I'm seeing all the YouTubers putting up the Christmas, which I love, and I'm having so much fun watching everybody's Christmas videos, but mine will not be up until December because I do not put up any Christmas until December 1, because during Thanksgiving time, I like to focus on my fall decor and my Thanksgiving decor, and it just be about that. And then I put mine up in December, like I said, and I love for December to just be about Christmas, and I like to keep them separate, so that's why I don't But I am having fun watching everybody else, and I can't wait to start filming Christmas. Oh my goodness. So if you do see me do a Christmas video, it'll be just like a shop with me or something like that, but it will not be Christmas decor. Anyway, I cannot wait to decorate for Christmas. I want to listen to Christmas music so bad, but I'm like keeping myself from it. It's so torturous, honestly. I just want to listen to Christmas music. It was so awesome to get these couple of rooms clean and smelling good, and it just helped relieve quite a bit of stress off me. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate you, and look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. See y'all next time. Bye.